friends, welcome back to my channel. I apologize if the lighting's like all over the place. I kind of have like a really weird setup going on right now because as you can see, I'm not over by my desk. I am in my bathroom, and that is because today we are trying the JJ Young Black Cleansing Stick. I hauled this a while ago. No makeup, got the headband. Let's get started. Alright, so first of all, this says it is a cleanser for normal to combination skin. I have like combination oily, I would say, so alright. And it says blackhead, exfoliate, detoxify, blah blah blah. Directions: apply stick to wet face and massage gently to lather and cleanse. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Clean the stick after use. So this one is really different from the Noonie one I tried a little while ago. The Noonie one, which do I have? Where is it? I don't know where it is. We cannot compare. Anyways, I've been on a cleansing stick kick recently. The Noonie one you actually had to use on a dry face and it took off makeup. This one doesn't say anything about taking off makeup. So I think this is like, if the Noonie one was like step 1 of double cleansing, this would be step 2. So this should be interesting. Take off the little peel. I haven't even opened this yet. I have no idea what this looks like. I know I have another cleansing stick from the like parent company of this brand, and it's like really similar, but I think it's your face is dry, so. Ooh, this is nice. Look at that packaging. Going full beauty guru. Look at the packaging. It's like a nice matte black and it has the little dude right there. Super cute. Ooh. It's like, looks like a black sugar scrub. Like, hold on. This is the Skin Food Black Sugar Mask Wash Off version, and it looks really similar, almost. Like, if this was in a stick form, it would be this. The smell is really similar to my other stick cleanser from this brand, or the parent brand. Oh, there's a paper in here. It literally is just the directions that are on the box. The directions are like all over the place. They're on the box, this box. They're on this little piece of paper, and then they're on the back of the stick. You basically will always know how to use this, essentially. All right, pull up my sleeves, take off my Fitbit. Let's do this. Hello, you have been zoomed in. I don't even know how to do what are the directions again? Apply stick, wet face. So we need to wet my face first. Probably a really bad idea with the amount of technology I have in my general vicinity right now, but oh well. So I feel like this would work out really well if you did it with the other stick cleanser, like did like a 2-step thing. This one doesn't glide, really. I am a bit confused because my face is wet, but it's not really lathering. Like my other one, if you do it on a dry face, and it works really well, but this one is almost, I would think, is a different consistency because I feel like it's not really washing my face. Maybe it's just because you need to like get it to work first. I'm not too sure how I feel about this. I feel like it's not really exfoliating either, and you can tell there's little exfoliating beads or whatever in here, but they're not really doing anything. They're kind of gone now anyways. Am I doing this right? I feel like I'm not using it right. But like, this is how I use all my other stick cleansers and they work fine. Trying to read the French side. I'm not taking French. I could have taken French, but I'm taking Japanese. This is the third language class I'm taking. Massage gently to lather and cleanse. Okay, so maybe, all right, I feel like it's on my face now. So maybe now we take some water and do this. So that's what my other stick cleanser from oh, it's doing the thing. Not important. It has a bit of a weird smell when you lather it up. Like, it still smells like the original stick cleanser, but it also kind of smells like corn. Like corn cereal? Cornflakes? Is that what it's called? I kind of like the consistency of the foam on this cleanser though. It's a nice consistency. Ah, that's hot. I feel like the real test will be if it actually does anything like exfoliating. That was my sentence. The true test will be if it actually exfoliates. There we go. My face looks cleaner. Just for reference, I didn't wash my face. I used like a cleansing water, so I guess I technically did wash my face, but like I used it like an hour ago because I sat and watched the BTS teaser for multiple minutes. My face does feel a lot cleaner. I've been having trouble with like oily skin recently, which I have oily skin, so like big shock. Recently I've been having more trouble with it, and I think it's because of the weather. So I've been using like literally just like regular soap. It's not like regular soap, like it's like face and body soap, and like it's all natural and everything. So I'm gonna wash this off real quick. Hold on. How would you even wash this off? Just run some hot water over it? Yeah. But I've been using that, and I feel like my skin feels just as clean as when I use that. But this is like an actual face cleanser, and it's in a stick form. which is amazing. And like I have my other Noonie stick once I find it, because I haven't been using it recently. I have other makeup remover I'm trying to use up. Like I can just like combine these two and it's like the ultimate lazy skincare routine. I don't know about you, but I'm here for it, especially with classes starting in like, what, 4 days? I think it's 4 days. I would have to say that I'm a fan of this. I will most likely continue to use it in combination with the Noonie one once I find it, like I said, and once I finish, actually, probably once I finish the makeup remover I'm trying to use up, which I have like a tiny bit left. But yeah, my skin feels super duper clean, and I think this is gonna be my daily cleanser in a stick form. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, make sure to subscribe down below and leave a like and a comment. Question of the day: did you watch the BTS teaser? Because I did multiple times. This isn't relevant to the product at all. I'm just really hyped about that BTS teaser. Anyways, I hope everyone's having a super great day and you are happy and just getting through school if you went back yet, because I haven't yet. And I'm kind of dreading it. But yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed all that stuff I already said, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!